In this whiteboard animation tutorial, you are going to learn how to adjust your anime speed. Now, just watch. The first slide, the speed is very, very fast. Just watch right now. Then while the second one is a bit slow, just watch it. You can see how fast it is. That's the speed. Now watch the second one and see how slow it is. So you can always adjust this. It depends on what you want. You don't want it to, if you're using a voiceover that is very fast and you want it to capture exactly, capture with what you're writing, then your speed of the anime should be fast that way. But if you want it this way, maybe you are teaching young people that need to take the time, or older persons that need time to go through and read, not that too fast. So you go this way. So I'm going to teach you in this video how to do exactly this. One of part of our training on whiteboard animation, part 2. Let's go now. So this is it. If you're already on the interface, if you are following our videos on animations, we have a part 1 of this video. You must have known how to start up this. Register with Benimi and then be at this point. Now, you want to adjust the speed of your animations. And like I said, you have many reasons to do that. So at this point now, you are going to, this is the first canvas, the first slide. So all you need to do, choose what you are going to use to start, either a text or a message. If you are using a text, you click it. If you are using a graphic, which it can be part of what you're doing for your first slide, use this. And so many of all of this. So let me use a text. Let's see how to speed up this. Now, so I'm going to click on text. Having clicked on text, let me write what I want to be on the text. Okay, let me write something like animation speed tutorial. It's a very simple one. Animation speed tutorial. I click on insert. Now watch. It's a very simple video. I can do other adjustments because this part of, if you have been following what we are doing, you know how to do this other stuff. But if you've not known, just make sure you subscribe to this channel because we're going to bring more tutorials on this whiteboard animation. But now we're looking at the speed. Now, having done this, I can adjust this. I just want to adjust it. Can put it in the center so that I can have, yes, I love it this way. I can also increase the font. So this is part of what you learn. If you are part of what we're doing here, you can learn all of this stuff. So I can increase the font. Can also adjust color, whatever I want to do. Let me make it 150. It's okay. Can decide to adjust the color to custom color. I choose deep blue. It's okay. Or green. Choose this green. It's okay. Now, see where my interest lies. I've done this. So I'm going to click on where you have duration. Look at this place. You have duration. Please pay attention. Now let's look at this. You already have, what you're having here is 2 seconds, but I want to adjust this. I can click here to put something like this. If I put, let's say, 45 seconds, let's watch how this thing will be. Now I want to play this. Where do I click to play it? Just watch, see. I click on this place. Did you see here? Up here. Please click on it. So I want to play this. Watch. It's on 45 seconds. You see how slow it is. Let's allow it to finish. Animation speed tutorial. I know you wouldn't want to see something like this. It's just slow that if you prepare as a video or a tutorial, many people will not be interested anymore. So that exactly shows you going by 45 is too much. But remember, it's the size of your anime. Imagine this is just how many character or 30 letter words, animation speed tutorial. That's less than 30 characters. You understand it? But what if what you are writing is up to 60 characters? That 45 minutes will no longer be as this. I hope you understand. Please, if I have written something so long here, 45 minutes is not going to be this slow, because that 45 minutes will be used to write everything, so it'll be a bit faster. So depending on what you're putting on here, that won't matter. So this is small. What if I go to adjust it to, let's say, something like 20? Let's watch. I click again. Now this is what 20 is giving to you. This is understandable. Maybe you are preparing this for those who are too slow to read. So this is okay, not that bad. But if I would say now, 50 will be the right one. Now, let's go to now something like 5. That might be very... Are you seeing it? You see how fast it is? Animation speed tutorial, so fast. What if you make it 2? Let's see what will be. You see it? It's jumping it. You see how it is? So this is exactly how to adjust. You can adjust the speed. Once you are done writing, putting everything, go to each of your slides, your canvas, and while you are creating it, you are doing all of this stuff. You can always come by. Let's, for example, I go out here. If I want to edit this, maybe after watching this, oh, this is not what I want. I want to edit it. I'm going to tap on this same whatever. Once I tap it, it gets me to this place where I can do the editing. So that's what it is. So once you are done creating your animation, using Benmi, one of the best tools to do anything animation stuff. Once you are done doing this, you can click now to edit the speed. If you have gone through the speed and see that it's not giving you what you really want, just do that. And that's exactly how to do this. It's very important. So this has settled it. If you have a question, use the comment box. If you still want more of this tutorial and other tutorials, please do it to subscribe to our channel. That's one of the ways to support us for growth. Share this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.